Hi everyone. Today we are going to conduct an experiment to show just how easily a network's bandwidth can be consumed by concurrently streaming a few YouTube videos. Streaming videos can hog an immense amount of network bandwidth, which can adversely affect the performance of other business-critical applications. On a best effort network, these business applications are competing for bandwidth with non-work-related services, like Netflix or Hulu. To start, I have installed SparrowIQ to monitor the gateway traffic on a small branch office with around 10 users and a 5 megabits per second connection to the internet service provider. Let's see how much of the bandwidth is utilized when we watch one 480p YouTube video. The bandwidth gadget shows that just this one video caused a peak usage of about 2 megabits per second. When we filter out the endpoint with the most usage, we can clearly see that my IP is consuming most of the bandwidth. This one video consumed roughly 40% of the available bandwidth. Now let's see how much bandwidth a high-def video at 720p will impact the network. Not surprisingly, it utilized a bigger portion of the total available bandwidth, roughly 80%. And this 5-minute video accounted for 60 megs of data transferred. We then streamed a 1080p video. The results suggest that a user watching a single video stream at 1080p would consume nearly all of the available bandwidth. On a best effort network, other users would see a very noticeable degradation in network performance. Adding a second 1080p video, we see that one or the other video continuously buffers due to insufficient bandwidth. You can imagine how this would be affecting business-critical applications. Based on the 1200 kilobit per second bitrate of a 5-minute 480p video, a small business of 50 to 60 employees with a corporate bandwidth of 10 megabits per second would take only 8 users watching 480p video to consume 95% of the corporate bandwidth, and would require even less users to congest the network if they were streaming higher resolution videos. According to the June 2014 Application Usage Threat Report by Palo Alto Networks, personal use of bandwidth accounts for approximately 1/3 of all bandwidth consumption. The Americas and Canada region has the highest video bandwidth consumption at a staggering 18%. SparrowIQ can give you visibility into network usage and performance. Networks can be continuously monitored and alerts generated if bandwidth amounts cross predetermined limits. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please visit our website at www.sparrowiq.com for additional information, or email us at sales@sparrowiq.com if you have any questions.